In recent years, PVC wall panels has become a popular choice for modern interior designs. These panels offers a stylish look, easy installation, and a long-lasting durability. So many homeowners and interior designers now prefer the PVC wall panels as a smart alternative to traditional wall finishes like paint, wallpaper, or tiles. Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, in this video, I'm going to share their latest price and their advantages and which are the best brands are available in market. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's begin the topic. Actually, PVC panels are available in wide range of designs, colors, and textures. So homeowners can easily choose a style that matches their furniture's flooring and overall the interior theme. So this flexibility allows the designers to create a stunning accent walls or TV backgrounds or the feature wall that instantly enhance the visual appeal of the living room or even in the bedrooms. Major advantages of PVC wall panel is that they are cost effective compared to many other wall finishing options. Like materials like natural stone, wooden panels or the marble can be expensive and require the high installation cost. So in contrast, PVC panels provide a similar aesthetic appearance at much lower price. So friends, now let we understand that how much it will cost for installation and the materials price. So to understand, let's talk about the total wall area. In this example, we are considering a wall area of 100 square feet. So now the next important thing is that how much area on PVC wall panel cover. So a standard super heavy PVC panel usually covers around 8.3 square feet per panel, and we require total 12 panels to cover the 100 square feet wall. So each panel price is usually cost between 400 rupees per piece depending on the quality and designs. So for this calculation we'll consider the maximum price of 400 per panel. So now let's calculate the total material cost. So the total materials required was 13 panels into 400, which comes is 5200 rupees. So the total PVC panel material cost be approximately 5200. Now let's calculate the installation labor cost. So generally PVC wall panel installation labor charges ranges from 20 to 25 rupees per square feet depending upon the city and installation complexity. So in this example we'll consider an average labor cost of 20 rupees per square feet. So now multiply this the labor rate by the total area wall. So 100 square feet into 20. So the total labor cost will be around 2000 rupees. So now let's calculate the final total cost is material cost is 5200, labor cost will be 2000, and the total installation cost with material and labor charges is 7200. So to install the super heavy PVC wall panels on a 100 square feet wall, the approximate total cost will be around 7200 rupees. So friends, keep in mind that this cost may be vary depending on several factors such as panel designs, panel thickness, brand quality, adhesive cost, transportation charges, and installer charges in your city. But this calculation gives you a clear estimate before starting your interior work. There are some best brands are available in the market like Green Ply, Century Ply, Elstone, Ecosti, and Wonder Panels. So these were the some best brands are available in India. So friends, when choosing the PVC wall panels, always check their panel thickness, finishing quality like matte, glossy. So another point is the waterproof and termite proof features, warranty and the brand reputations. Because good PVC panels can last 15 to 20 years with a minimal maintenance and provide a modern interior look at an affordable cost. PVC wall panels are becoming very popular in modern interiors because they are waterproof, termite proof, and also they are low in maintenance, and they provide a modern luxury look at an affordable price. So friends, these were the advantages of PVC wall panels, and so friends, still if you have any queries, please you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, and please share with your friends, and thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.